In this segment, we're going to take a look at additional question editing strategies that may be helpful to you. These include how to add images to questions, a look at some additional question types that may be useful for you, and how to set conditions for responses to force users to answer a certain way to ensure accuracy of your data. Let's get started. To make your form more visually appealing and clear, you can add images or even embed videos into your questions. To add an image, hover over the image icon that appears in the area that you want your image to be added. If you want the image to apply to the top of the question, click the image icon that is located just to the right of the question title. This will prompt you to provide an image, which you can upload from your computer or search from Google Drive. When the image is added, you can click on it, which will create a blue box around the image and allow you to click and drag to resize the image to the size that you want. You can also hover over the 3 dots that appear when the image is not selected. This will allow you to change the alignment, remove the image, or replace the image. This image applies to the top of my question, but I can also change or add images to each of my choices. You may choose to have a question where you want to force users to answer in a certain way. For example, in this question, I would like them to only choose no more than 3 responses from the list of options available. It's important that you have the right question type to allow users to do this. A multiple choice question type allows only 1 response. But if I change the question type to checkboxes, users can select as many as they want, but I can also control the quantity of responses they can choose. To make this change, go down to the bottom right-hand corner and click the 3 dots. Depending on the question type, you will see response validation as a choice. The options available under this setting will differ based on the type of question that you have. If I click response validation for a checkbox question, it will allow me to choose how many answer choices users can select. So I'm going to say at most 3. And here where it says custom error text, I can decide what will appear for users if they violate the rule and try to answer by selecting more than 3 choices. Other questions have different options under this response validation. For example, in this choice question where I have an open response, a short answer, I'm asking people to provide their email. Here under response validation, I can change this to force the type of answer as an email. To do this, I'm going to click this drop down on the left and choose text. From the drop down here, one of the options is email address. And again, I can pick a choice here to indicate what people see if they answer incorrectly. Thanks for watching. Remember to check us out online at teachingforward.net or visit our YouTube channel by going to youtube.com/teachingforwardnet.